What if I want to see all of my recipe classes, everything that's connected, but also all of my recipes that aren't connected? No, let's start off with measurements. What if I want to see all the measurements that aren't connected to anything? How do I change this query? This one right here. Well, I'm getting this set of data. Recipes, recipe classes, right? That's this stuff. Cool, that gave me a set. And I'm going to join that to recipe ingredients. This gives me a new set, right? Which is all of this stuff, these three tables, some result. And I'm going to join that to ingredients. And that gives me a set. So now I have all four of these tables, the data I wanted. And now over here, I also want to join it to measurements. I want to see what's connected, and I want to see what's not connected. So to do that, I have a set on the left, and I want to see on the right what is not connected. Absolutely. So I'm going to do a right join there. Let's run it. Where are you? Maybe I connected them. Maybe all measurements got used. I need to insert some measurements that aren't used because in the new data I put in, I used all my measurements. So I'm going to select star. So let's look at measurements, \d measurements. And I'm going to do select star from measurements. And now I'm going to insert into measurements values. And I'm at 12, so I'm going to insert 13. And is it single quotes? Single quotes, right?
Yes.
13 and a bit more. And 12. Oh, I need 13. I said 13, so I put 12. And I need not so much, 15, the whole box, 16, whatever you got. Now I've got those. Let's run this right join again. Cool. How do I see what's in ingredients and measurements that's not connected? Well, first I need to stick some stuff into ingredients. And then insert into ingredients values 11. Somebody give me gummy worms. 12. Mullet balls.
Instant miso soup.
13. Instant miso soup. So now, how do I change this query to give me everything, ingredients and measurements? Well, I first get this set of data. Those are the two tables, recipe classes and recipes. And then I join it to this set of data, recipe ingredients, and that, my mouse, that, my mouse is ready for the graveyard. That gives me, that sounded a little bit creepy. That gives me a recipe ingredient, that gives me a set of data. And now I need to right join, right, to get the unmatched ones here. And that will give me a set of data with unmatched ingredients. And now what happens if I right join? I've got a set of data, some of which is unmatched, and I'm going to join it to another set, right? And if I do that with a right on this last one, I got this first right, then I'm only going to get the stuff on the right. I'm only going to get measurements. I'm not going to get the unmatched on the left. So I got to do a full. Give me the unmatched on the left, because what's on the left? This is, and it has some unmatched from ingredients. And I want also the unmatched on the right, this. So I'm doing a full there. Right? Lisa,
Yes.
I'm going to explain it again. I get this set of data. That's from recipe classes and recipes. I join it to this set of data, which ties in recipe ingredients. So I got these three tables as a set that's highlighted right now. And I want to see what's unmatched in ingredients. So I right join to ingredients because that will give me the unmatched of what's on the right. Right? What is on the right? Ingredients. What am I joining that to? This set right here, everything that came before it. So here's the set of what came before it. I'm going to right join it to ingredients, and then that will give me everything that's matched and what's not matched in ingredients. That gives me a set of data. I also want to see what's not matched in measurements. Okay, so if I do a right join right here, it will give me what's not matched in measurements and what matches in this highlighted set. It will let go of the unmatched from ingredients because those aren't going to match to measurements. So to match, I need the full. I need what's unmatched on the right. Give me what's unmatched on the right, which will be what's from here, and what's unmatched on the left, which is what's from here. That makes sense, Lisa?
Unmatched on the left will give you the full.
Yeah, because right here I have everything up to this point, including what's unmatched in ingredients.
Okay.
I have a set of data. Some of those are not going to match to measurements because they're just sitting there by themselves, never used. So if I want to see what's not matched on the left, and I also want to see what's not matched on the right, do I use left, right, or full?
You want to do unmatched.
Okay, unmatched on the left. Here's what's matched. I want unmatched on the left, and I want unmatched on the right.
So it's full.
So it's full. That's what I'm trying to explain. I'm regretting inserting 1,000 records. Unmatched on the left, including gummy worms. Unmatched on the right.
Is it safe to say that when you're doing multiple joins, the full will always be at the end?
That what will?
The full join will always be at towards the end?
No. Let's do full at the beginning. I don't know, man, but I think it doesn't matter. Let's do full at the beginning. So here's what we had. And now we're going to change it. So we want all this. Let's do select from, I don't know, let's do ingredients. Ingredients as I on recipe ingredient ID. So we're going to do ingredients. I'll copy. We're going to do ingredients as I on recipe ingredients as RI, recipe ingredients as RI, ingredients as I. So we're going to do from ingredients, ingredients as I, left join, right? Recipe ingredients as RI on, and then we have I dot, I'm just getting my space out here, I dot ingredient ID is equal to recipe ingredients dot ingredient ID, right? So that just gave me ingredient on the left, the ones that aren't matched. And then this is a set of data. And now we're going to join that because we want to also get measurements that aren't matched. So we want to join that to measurements somehow. So we're going to join that set on the left with measurements, and I want what is not matched to measurement. So I need what's not matched on the left with what's not matched on the right also. So that's a full join, measurements on measurements as M on measurement M dot measurements ID is equal to recipe ingredients measurements ID. So there's my next set of data. And now I want to kind of connect that all going left, right? So I've got a set of data from all of this. Now I want to join this, recipe ingredients to recipes. So this set of data on the left, I want everything that's on the left, including the unmatched, to my next connection, which is going to be left join recipes as R on recipe ingredients dot recipe ID is equal to R dot recipe ID. And there's my next set of data. And now I want to take that, and that's going to have some unmatched on the left. So I want the unmatched on the left. So I'm just thinking, oh yeah, I did left join here. I want the unmatched on the left. And whatever's on the right. So I'll do left join I just did recipes, left join recipe classes as RC on R dot recipe class ID is equal to RC dot recipe class ID. I don't know. I might have screwed up some syntax because reading right to left's funky. So that's where thinking in sets, right? You're just building it and you're saying, okay, I got that set. Now that set, does it have unmatched that I want? Yes. And do I want unmatched from this next one? Yes, full. Right? Okay, I got that set. Does it have unmatched that I want on the left? Yes. Do I want unmatched on the right? No. So then I do left. Just give me what's on the left. Okay, that's got stuff on the left that's unmatched. Do I want the unmatched on the right? Nope, I just want the unmatched on the left. Give me left. Right? And I could make these full across the board, and I could just see all the unmatched, you know? Boom, 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 boom. Too many records. You see unmatched going by, right? Reuben sandwich has no. Fascinating, right? How many people feel more clear? How many people feel completely muddy? How much you've been doing it each week? Okay. Right? Of course you're going to be missing shots. You know that.